Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. So today I want to show you guys my finished feather journal that I've been working with you guys. We've been working together on it, on a lot of it, on the constructing of it, and you know, the title page and stuff like that. So I'll make sure to post the playlist at the end screen if you guys want to come check out the whole playlist of making this journal. All right, so I want to go ahead and just do a flip through with you guys and we'll go from there. Okay, so we got our fun dangle here. I think that turned out fun. And I actually have a video on making this, and I will post that on the end screen if you guys want to come check out how to do the dangle. Okay. And this is a fun snippet roll that I did with you guys, and it's so much fun. But I went ahead and did my snaps to snap it. So what I did is I have a snap that will fit it now, which, you know, well, it's not super full. And then as it grows, there's a snap right here. So I have it so it can grow. Okay, and this comes off. And this was so much fun to make with you guys. And it's just got the feather cluster here, and then I did the feather stenciling on it with my it's not texture paste. I actually use spackling, and it works great. And yeah, this turned out really fun. So this will be in the playlist. You guys come check out how to make this. Okay, so that's the closure. And then on the outside here, I went ahead and did that. So that's the front and the back. Okay, and then sewing all around. All right, and now I'm gonna do a silent through the rest of it and just flip through and show you guys. And there we go. And then I did little danglers here at the bottom. Just some little beads, little wood beads. I thought it'd be fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will have the link down below to my Etsy shop. I'm going to put this in my Etsy shop today, so you guys come check it out. And yeah, so I'll make sure to get that down below. And I think this is so much fun. It's just so much fun. You guys have to come check out the playlist. See how we did all that, or how we did it all together. It was super fun. And there we go. Just like that. So if you guys could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys will see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.